Winning the diversity visa lottery can change your life forever, but one small mistake on your application could cost you everything. And do you know the most common mistake? Marital status. Many applicants don't realize that how you choose your status, whether single, married, divorced, widowed, or legally separated, is not just a formality. It's the foundation of your application. Get it wrong, and the U.S. Embassy will deny your visa. So let's break this down clearly. If you are unmarried, meaning you have never been married before, that's the simplest choice. It requires no paperwork, no proof, no explanation. You just check unmarried and move on. But if you are married, things get serious. You must have an official legal marriage certificate, not just a traditional ceremony, not just living together. A court-recognized marriage certificate. And yes, you must list your spouse on the application, whether they plan to immigrate with you or not. If you are divorced, you cannot simply say, "We separated years ago." The U.S. Embassy will only accept your official divorce decree. No document? Then, legally, you are not divorced in the eyes of immigration. If you are widowed, you must have a death certificate to prove your spouse has passed away. Again, explanations without documents will not work. And if you are legally separated, this is a tricky one. It does not mean you live apart or you're on a break. Legal separation means you went to court and received official legal separation papers. Only then can you choose this option. Here's the bottom line. In the DV lottery, your marital status must match your documents. If you can't prove it, don't claim it. The only status that needs no proof is unmarried. Everything else requires official paperwork. Every year, thousands of applicants lose their chance because they tried to explain instead of proving. Don't make that mistake. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Prospect Global for more DV lottery and U.S. immigration updates that could save your dream.